Hi everyone. Today we are here with Tom Murphy, Managing Director, FBO Services, Gama Aviation. Hi Tom, thank you for joining with us.
Hi, thank you. Pleasure to have you here.
So coming to our first question, with a 65 million investment into Sharjah Business Aviation Centre, what strategic goals is Gama Aviation aiming to achieve in the UAE's highly competitive business aviation landscape?
Yeah, so obviously it's a highly competitive market, but this is our biggest investment as an organisation. It's going to be our flagship facility. But we share the ambitions of Sharjah, where aviation was born in the UAE with the first airport in the UAE. So there's a strong foundation now, with proved concept over the last 12 years operating from this current site that you're standing in today. And we've progressively increased our volumes, increased our market share, and we've got to a position where we're having to turn business away for hangarage. We don't have access to hangarage today, or consistent access to hangarage today. Hence the reason for significant investment, and for slightly longer term view, with DXB potentially closing down, Dubai International closing down in the future, and all operations relocating to DWC, we think Sharjah and this facility that we're building is future-proofing access to downtown Dubai.
That's an advantage.
Yes.
Right. So unlike many FBOs that repurpose existing airport facilities, your business aviation center is built from ground up. How does this bespoke approach translate into operational and experiential advantage for clients?
Okay, so everything we have designed this project has been built from the ground up. Okay, so about 15 months ago, it was just desert, uneven ground, no power or utilities there. So it has been a blank canvas for us to design. What we've tried to do is increase the amount of, on top of the existing operational USPs that Sharjah Airport offers. So Sharjah Airport is not as congested as other nearby international airports. The taxi times on the ground are very, very short, and there's no slot restrictions at Sharjah Airport. So these are all existing USPs. How we've built on that is through our facility. The proximity of our new facility to the runway is just going to be a 90-second to 2-minute taxi. That's unheard of international airport, particularly for business jet operations. But in addition to that, we're taking on additional services like in-house fueling. We'll be the first FBO to provide that in the UAE. In-house fueling to aircraft prevents delays, and doing all of this from a luxury facility. So we've got the luxury side and operational USPs.
Right. And the 2,000 square meter VVIP terminal includes private lounge, cigar lounge, and observation F&B bar. So, and relaxation spaces.
Yes.
How does this new terminal redefine luxury and personalization in business aviation services?
So I think the expectations of clients in this part of the world are very, very high. So you have to have first-class facilities to accommodate them. Also, if you look at the FBOs currently operating in the UAE, there are many of them in a short space.
Yes.
But the UAE market produces the leading FBOs in the world. So this is the expectation of the clients, and this is what we've put together here, along with training our team in client experience initiatives. And we've also kind of changed things a little bit with our recruitment. Traditionally, we've hired or recruited people with experience in FBO operations or aviation operations. Last 6 roles we've taken on in our FBO in Sharjah, they've come from more of a hospitality background, working at some of the premium hotels across the UAE, because we can teach them the aviation.
We wanted in that third academy you mentioned.
Exactly, yeah, exactly. We've put together our own training academy, which will roll out to Gama Group, but we're rolling out initially here in Sharjah, specifically for the business aviation project.
So the new 12,000 square meter hangar supports large chain aircraft, direct taxi in and out operations, and integrated workshops. How will this significantly expand your line maintenance capabilities and reduce turnaround times for operations?
So in terms of turnaround operation, this FBO, what we're building, is going to be unrivaled. I'm really looking forward to seeing the feedback of when operators start to use this FBO. It's going to be one of the most efficient FBOs around because of the way we've designed it. And then in terms of our line maintenance, obviously the 12,000 square meter hangar accommodates our engineers. At the moment, we provide maintenance to a broad range of types, including the Global Series, Challengers, and Embraer Legacies. But we are looking to broaden our certifications to other types as well and other variants.
So the self-maneuvering apron and dedicated on-site fueling have been highlighted as major efficiency boosters. What measurable improvements in aircraft handling and operational flow do you anticipate once the facility is fully operational?
So I think what we're producing here with all of the existing USPs that are here in Sharjah anyway, adding to that the ones that we've created in a luxury environment, in a building where everything is provided by Gama in one exclusive spot, is going to streamline all operations. I mean, for the last 10 years, we've been spread around Sharjah Airport. Now, that's because we fit into existing infrastructure, but actually building this from the ground up means that we're all in one place. All of our different departments are operating from our new site, and we can provide all of the services in-house.
So the hangar incorporates advanced installation, airflow systems, and energy efficient lighting. How is sustainability being embedded into design and daily operation of the new business aviation center?
So we've taken all of the steps we can to reduce the requirement, the power requirements of the hangar, with some initiatives that our contractors have put in place through the design. In addition to that, we are looking at putting an element of solar panels on the roof of the hangar. We've not quite confirmed that. Maybe that will come at a later date. But this is something that we're looking at.
Like, coming to my last question, looking ahead, what additional technologies, digital solutions, or service expansion can we expect Gama Aviation to introduce as part of its long-term vision for Sharjah?
At the moment, the softwares that we have extend to, scheduling of aircraft, booking handling requests, and booking third-party services. In the near future, I don't think, other than AI helping with some, administrative requirements, I don't see that we'll be, adding anything else in the near future anyway.
But I think that is all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.